All right, hollow pointers out there in the hollow point land. Today we're going to do some distance testing. I got two targets set up. We got the 510 Express. See, 510 Express. This is the 510 diameter, 50 cal. It's like everybody else is shooting. This is from XP-Airguns.com. Okay, Dan McVeigh built this baby from me. It's got a Doug Russell custom Mad Dog bullpup stock on it. With all, Dan did the bullpup assembly. And what I like about bullpups in general is you can get the longer barrel, but still you're going to shave off 12 to 14 inches of stock. So you can get the longer power punch, but with the shorter package, okay? So the overall length still isn't going to be, 6 feet long, all right? It's got the a little small suppressor that Dan had built and put on there. It's a beautiful, I don't know what this color is. I want to say a kind of a burnt orange or a burnt green, but it goes perfect with this walnut stock that Dougie made. We're going to do some testing of all the different bullet weights and see if we can have some fun. So stick along with Mr. Hollow Point and the 510 Express. Don't be looking at my ass. I've got myself set up here with the lead sled, the power booster from AirTech. We got two targets down there, and we're going to start throwing some lead. Yeah! So I'm kind of dialed in with the 345, 350 at 75 yards. Full power, 3 shots, top target. $4,200, 385. That's the bullseye there, baby. Close to the kill zone. Go look, but I think those are all within the kill zone. .445, 4,200 psi, give or take. All right, gentlemen, so we are going to wrap it up. With the 510 Express by XP-Airguns. So what I've discovered, and this is how I work with all the air rifles, this gun likes heavy lead for more than 2 shots, 3 shots. So my best groupings for 3 shots were the 345, 350, and 385. My heavy lead singles, of course, the 445, the 475, and the 5 1/4. You know, because they're unregulated, the weight of the bullet, the back pressure works with, you know, how much air consumption is being used. So at the present, the 385 is my #1 slug. That's what I'll be hunting with this year over at Uncle Teddy's. It's a 385. It's a proven slug, and if I have to do a second or third shot, I know it's going to be right there in the zone. We were at 75 yards today, and for what I do, I think the grouping was excellent. I know some of you paper punchers are wanting a clover leaf, but these are hunting bullets for putting huge holes in things. I had a lot of fun, but the rain's coming in, so we got to call it quits a little bit earlier than I would have liked. Like I said, this is going to be video 2, so make sure you watch video 1 for the power testing, air consumption, foot-pounds, and speed. So it's a very, very powerful air rifle. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and we'll come back at you when it's a little drier outside. Hollow points rule. I'll turn the old scope off.